National Weather Service in Lubbock, Texas has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Lubbock County in northwestern Texas, eastern Hockley County in northwestern Texas, until 8 p.m. At 6:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Shallowater, Oregon, 12 miles northwest of Lubbock, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: tennis ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Anton, Lubbock South Plains Mall, Smyer, New Deal, Woodford, Texas Tech University, Lubbock International Airport, Witt Harrell, downtown Lubbock, Shallowater, Lubbock, Lubbock Science Spectrum, and Reese Center. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for northwestern Texas.